update. First here on Times Now, all accused have been acquitted in the Malegaon case. Huge breaking news update coming in, viewers. There has been no cogent evidence and all accused, 17 years later, all accused in the Malegaon case have been acquitted by the special NIA court. So, today it can be said that the saffron terror bogey stands completely demolished. From the court, all have been acquitted of UAP and all other charges. A case that went on for 17 years. A case that saw the coinage of the term Hindu terror, saffron terror. For years and years, there were allegations made against a serving army officer back then. Sadhvi Pragya claimed she was tortured brutally. And now, big update from the NIA, Special NIA Court in Mumbai. All accused have been acquitted. A case that will have massive ramifications. Only yesterday in the Parliament, the Home Minister thundered that he is confident that no Hindu can be a terrorist. So the saffron terror bogey, 17 years after this case was used to peddle that narrative, today all accused in the Malegaon case have been acquitted. All accused, including Sadhvi Pragya, Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Purohit, they stand acquitted. Before going into the court, you remember what Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Purohit said? He said that this is a fabricated case. I've always served my country and I will continue serving my country. Sadhvi Pragya's legal team said the truth will triumph. And today, 17 years later, the saffron terror lie stands busted because all accused, all 7 have been acquitted in the case. 17 years later, who will bring back these 17 years? A case that was concocted on the basis of fake evidence, as been mentioned by court. Mere suspicion cannot lead to conviction. There is no reliable cogent evidence. The judge has said there was no evidence to prove conviction.